Our bath panel is cracked and split.
It's got to go, it's really shit.
These plastic panels are just no good.
Nicky wants one made of wood.
Drilling, decorating, hammering and sawing. Nicky's making me do jobs that I've been ignoring. I don't mind really, but it's sometimes boring. I hid myself away and she kicked the door in.
I've put the old bath panel behind the bin because it's too big to fit in. I've made a little sketch to work by.
It probably still won't fit, but we'll have a try. Nicky's bought some wood to carry out her plan.
And we've stored it right here in the van.
I use a dimension saw to cut the wood to size.
Mr. Safety Owl's come to supervise.
We'll stay in the garage and pin everything together. Because out there's pretty nasty weather. These are pinning on alright. I'm making sure the joints are nice and tight. Before I crack on and do any more, I'll trim this corner off with my saw.
I'd rather be motorhoming, airbrushing or down a mine. My wife, she makes me toe the line. She says it's not too much to ask, the occasional domestic maintenance task. It's not that I don't like DIY, it's not many jobs that I won't try. She's made a list and put it on the refrigerator, so she wants it done now, not left till later. But I'm working towards my master plan to spend more time away in the van.
Before we go any further, I've done a trial fit. Just to check I didn't have to trim a bit. Well, it seems like it's a pretty good fit. So I'm using screws and cups to secure it. To finish it, I'm going to paint it white. I reckon that will look alright. As an extra touch to the job, Nicky's cleaned the seat of the bog.
Drilling, decorating, hammering and sawing. Nicky's making me do jobs that I've been ignoring. I don't mind really, but it's sometimes boring. I hid myself away and she kicked the door in.
What's this in the paint? Mr. Ginger's hair.
He's not saying how it got there.
I've given it a primer, 2 undercoats and a gloss. I'm hoping that'll please the boss.
A bead of silicone finishes off the job. Don't use too much and make a massive blob.
Well, now I've got that job done, we'll soon be back to having fun.
Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.